If your car or truck was damaged in last year's Central Texas hailstorms, Elite Hail Systems has you covered. An award-winning company, voted best of the best in 14 cities for the last 4 years straight, Elite has come to the area with an almost too good to be true offer. If you're near Killeen, Lampasa, Copperas Cove, Fort Hood, Belton, Temple, Salado, and have hail damage, this is your lucky day. Not only will we take care of you right away with flawless paintless dent repair, but for a short time we'll actually cover your costs for you and put extra money in your pocket. That's right, we'll pay your deductible up to $1,000 and for a rental car so you can get around while we fix up your ride. An extra $200 in your pocket is just our thank you as an incentive to get this done now, and a thank you for giving us the chance to help you out. We'll even handle all the insurance headaches. No need to put this off anymore. Call us today at 254-856-1986 or visit EliteHailTemple.com. Check out our reviews and book your appointment online. Talk soon.